Heck yeah, here with Cameron Coates. We're going to play Speed Connect4 this morning.
I know. I didn't think I'd have to get out this early and play Connect4, so I had an extra cup of coffee while we were setting up the video. But we're better than the studio here.
I mean, best place to go ahead and play Speed Connect4 this morning. Cameron, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
We've got this event going on April 16th. Why did you decide to partake in this event here?
I love it. It's so much fun. The Connect4Charity, it's a great opportunity to help. Connect4 is just fun.
Yeah.
And everyone that I've known that's done it or I've seen doing it has a good time here. And of course, it's helping out the rail park.
Absolutely.
Which definitely, that's a great cause. So
hashtag save the depot, right?
That's right, for sure there. They got all those posters up there, so I like those.
So are you ready to play Speed Connect4?
As ready as I'll ever be at 7:07 in the morning.
Now let me tell you something. Okay. I played Speed Connect4 the other day. Okay. And I didn't realize that the other person won, and we kept on going. And we were like, hey, it's a stalemate. So
we'll watch the footage later and we'll find out who won.
That's exactly what happened. Somebody watched the footage and said, hey, Ashley, you actually won.
That's great. All right, well, hopefully we can count to 4. As I say, I'll give it a best shot. I'll keep 4 fingers up, and once we hit that number, we'll be good. So.
Hashtag drop the checker, and since we're in your house,
all right,
let's do it. Oh,
well, now you can go. I was about to say, 2 of them stuck together there, so.
All right, quickly.
Oh, you already got
it. Wait a minute. Did I get him in 4 moves? Cameron Coates.
It's 7:07 in the morning.
It is 7:07 in the morning. Maybe we'll have to have a rematch.
Maybe. I'm game if you are.
I'm game.
That went so well.
You know,
for you.
Well, let's do another one really quick. Since we are right here. 2. All right.
All right.
Since we are right here in between.
We got some aha going. It's a good life here. The WOVO Wake Up Show. So.
Are you ready?
I hope so.
Okay.
I got smoked to that last round.
Hashtag drop the checker.
All right, let's do it.
Speed. Guys, it's getting intense here in the 106.3 WOVO studio.
We do what we can.
Yeah. Let's see here. Oh, wait a minute! I thought you were going to get me right there.
Still got it, though.
Oh, Connect4.
There we go.
Wait a minute.
We're 1-1.
We're 1-1. Can we go ahead and play 2 out of 3?
We'll do it for the people.
We'll do it
for the people.
Only for the people.
We need a resolution here.
We need a resolution here. I'm going to grab my red checkers.
All right, we're going to grab, so I'll pass some of those over.
And you got your yellow checkers. So,
this is a big one. This is a big 2 out of 3.
Big game right here,
We're doing it tournament style. Who's going to make it? Who's going to make it to the big dance?
Let's see here. Hashtag drop the checker, Cameron.
All right.
1. Boom. Look at there. We got the hang of it now. I mean, we're going fast. I'm going to block you there. I can't let you have it again. Oh, I'm going to block there. Are we going for a stalemate? Or who's going to win this one? Come on.
I got you.
Oh my goodness. Cameron Coates, the champion. Hashtag.
All right, there we go.
Connect4.
I feel a lot better going into the official event now.
Okay, so the official event is April 16th.
Yes.
At Trent Betting.
So excited for that.
And we're going to go Facebook Live.
All right, I can't wait for it.
All right. Thanks, Cameron.
Hey, no problem, Kinny. I can't wait for it.